Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sell something in a Facebook buy and sell group. Open Facebook. You can only sell things in groups that have the buy and sell feature turned on. You must be an admin of the group to turn the buy and sell group feature on or off. To sell something in a Facebook buy and sell group, tap on the groups, tap on discover. Here you will find a buy and sell group, or you can search from here. Here you have to join the group and post. After joining the group, you will find what you are selling. Here tap on what you are selling and enter the details about your items which you are selling. Choose your audience. To help more buyers to find your items, you can post an items in other buy and sell groups, or you can create a marketplace listings for the item. Upload picture of your item, put the details and tap on publish. By this way you can create a sell post on this particular buy and sell group. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.